Hi everyone. Automations in Clickup are the best way to cut out repetitive manual work. Here is how to build your first automation in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Access the automation panel. First, open Clickup and go to the specific space where you want the automation to run. In the left-hand sidebar, find the Automations button. It's usually located under the View section. Click it and then press Add Automation to start building. Step 2. Choose your trigger. Every automation starts with a trigger, which is the event that kicks things off. Click Create Custom Automation and pick a trigger from the drop-down. Common examples include Task Created to run actions the moment a new task appears, Due Date Arriving to react when a deadline is hit, or Status Changed to respond to updates in your workflow. Step 3. Define the action and conditions. Next, add an action, which is the automatic response to your trigger. Click Add Action and specify what should happen, like changing a task's status or adding a comment. If you want to get more precise, you can add conditions to limit the automation to a specific list or a particular team member. Step 4. Name and save. Finally, give your automation a clear, descriptive name like Auto Close Overdue Tasks so you can find it later. Hit the Save button in the top right corner to activate it. Your workflow will now update automatically whenever those conditions are met. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.